Can you imagine the sheer force it takes to make a sound heard thousands of miles away, or to unleash a flood that redefines a continent? Our planet is a master of both breathtaking beauty and unimaginable destruction, constantly reminding us of its immense power. Today, we're delving into 10 extraordinary facts about natural disasters and extreme weather events that reshaped history, baffled scientists, and left humanity in awe. Number 1. Krakatoa's deafening roar. On August 27, 1883, the volcanic island of Krakatoa, located between Java and Sumatra, erupted with a force estimated to be 13,000 times that of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. The cataclysmic explosion generated a sound so immense it was heard over 3,000 miles away, reaching Perth, Australia, and the island of Rodriguez near Mauritius, making it the loudest sound in recorded history. This terrifying event obliterated two-thirds of the island and triggered tsunamis up to 120 feet high, claiming over 36,000 lives and causing global atmospheric effects for years. Number 2. The deadliest flood in history. The 1931 China floods, primarily along the Yangtze, Huai, and Yellow Rivers, stand as the deadliest natural disaster in recorded human history, tragically claiming between 1 million and 4 million lives. Weeks of torrential rainfall, exacerbated by 7 previous cyclones, caused the rivers to overflow their banks, submerging an area roughly the size of England. Survivors faced not only the devastating waters, but also widespread famine, disease outbreaks like cholera and typhus, and forced displacement, painting a grim picture of unimaginable suffering across vast regions. Number 3. San Francisco's Great Quake and Fire. At 5:12 a.m. on April 18, 1906, a devastating magnitude 7.9 earthquake struck San Francisco, California, shaking the city for nearly a minute and collapsing countless buildings. The initial temblor ruptured gas lines and water mains, quickly igniting over 30 uncontrolled fires that raged for 3 days and ultimately caused 90% of the destruction. This catastrophic event displaced more than 225,000 people and claimed an estimated 3,000 lives, fundamentally reshaping one of America's most iconic cities. Number 4. The Great Smog of London. In December 1952, a chilling temperature inversion combined with extensive coal burning created the infamous Great Smog of London, blanketing the city in a dense, sulfurous pea soup for 5 days. This toxic blanket reduced visibility to mere feet, halted transport, and infiltrated homes, causing widespread respiratory distress and thousands of immediate deaths. Ultimately, estimates suggest the smog contributed to the premature deaths of up to 12,000 people from respiratory illnesses and heart failure, prompting significant environmental legislation. Number 5. The 1974 Super Outbreak. On April 3rd and 4th, 1974, the United States was struck by the most severe tornado outbreak in recorded history, unleashing 148 tornadoes across 13 states in just 18 hours. This horrifying barrage included 30 F4 and 6 F5 tornadoes, among them the infamous Xenia, Ohio, F5 that ripped through the town with wind speeds exceeding 260 miles per hour. The devastating storms tragically killed 330 people, injured over 5,500, and caused damage exceeding $600 million, leaving a trail of unimaginable destruction across the Midwest and South. Number 6. Iceland's air travel disruptor. The 2010 eruption of Iceland's Age of Geological volcano, though not particularly powerful, caused unprecedented chaos across European airspace for weeks. Its fine, abrasive ash plume, driven by specific weather patterns, rose miles into the atmosphere, posing a severe threat to aircraft engines and leading to extensive flight cancellations. From April 15th to 20th alone, over 100,000 flights were grounded, impacting 10 million passengers and costing airlines an estimated $1.7 billion, demonstrating the far-reaching economic ripple effects of natural events. Number 7. The Great Blizzard of 1888. From March 11th to 14th, 1888, the eastern seaboard of the United States was engulfed by an epic blizzard, burying cities under record-breaking snowfalls of up to 55 inches in parts of New York and Connecticut. This ferocious storm produced sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, with gusts reaching 80 miles per hour, creating massive snowdrifts that trapped trains and completely immobilized entire regions. The blizzard tragically claimed over 400 lives, including 200 seamen lost at sea, causing an estimated $20 million in damages and forever changing urban infrastructure in the Northeast. Number 8. Japan's Triple Catastrophe. On March 11, 2011, a magnitude 9.1 earthquake, the most powerful ever recorded in Japan, struck off the coast of Tohoku, generating a colossal tsunami that engulfed coastal regions. Walls of water up to 133 feet high surged inland, traveling miles and sweeping away entire towns, causing widespread devastation and crippling the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. This horrific triple disaster claimed over 15,900 lives, displaced hundreds of thousands, and led to the worst nuclear crisis since Chernobyl, leaving a lasting scar on the nation. Number 9. Mount St. Helens Lateral Blast. On May 18, 1980, Mount St. Helens in Washington state violently erupted after weeks of seismic activity, famously unleashing a colossal lateral blast rather than a vertical column. This horizontal explosion, moving at speeds up to 300 miles per hour, flattened 230 square miles of forest in seconds, transforming lush landscapes into a barren, gray wasteland. The eruption tragically killed 57 people, including scientist David Johnston, and spewed ash across 11 states, costing an estimated $1.1 billion in damages and showcasing a unique volcanic hazard. Number 10. India's deadliest hailstorm. The Moradabad hailstorm on April 30, 1888, in Uttar Pradesh, India, stands as the deadliest hailstorm ever recorded, devastating the region with massive, jagged ice blocks. Witnesses reported hailstones as large as geese and cricket balls that fell with terrifying force, causing widespread destruction to property and livestock. Tragically, this brutal storm claimed an estimated 246 human lives and an untold number of animals, solidifying its place in history as a terrifying example of extreme atmospheric power. The Earth's raw power, as demonstrated by these incredible events, offers a profound perspective on our place in the natural world. If you found these rarely discussed facts as captivating as we did, consider subscribing to join our community for more fascinating explorations into our planet's mysteries. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Lumifacts. We drop new facts every day, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.